Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to Practical Networking number 4. All right, my name is Isangui. We did already networking practical number 1, number 2, number 3, and now we are going to number 4. Right? Make sure that you're going to subscribe so that you won't gonna miss our videos. Right? And let's try to move a bit forward. We saw on practical number 3 how to create user account, how to create groups, right? And how you can assign those user accounts to groups, right? So as I said, when you do have a company, that company will be divided in different departments, right? You as an IT admin or IT administrator or system support or help desk support, you need to split those departments by creating what? Groups. So you are going to create groups. Suppose like you do have 5 departments, you can create 5 groups, right? And why are you creating groups? For better management, security, and performance, right? So like maybe you got 5 departments, finance, sales, the IT, management, accounting. You are going also to create 5 groups, right? And you are going to assign people who are working in finance department to their specific group, right? So now the task will be so easy for you for management. You don't need to go to every user, starting the configuration. You can only configure the whole group because those people are working for finance department. You are going to see that most of them will have the same configurations, right? So to simplify your management, you can do that by creating groups, right? We saw how to create, and we are going to move forward. We are going now to see how to delete, how to verify those user accounts, your groups, how to make some changes, right? This is what basically, and how to disable, right? This is what we are going to do today. How to verify the details about a user account. Maybe you want to troubleshoot, you want to try to understand if that account is active or not. What time the guy did log in or log out. How will you know that? We are going to see that. And beside that, you can also make some changes by changing like his password, right? Uh, you can also try to delete the account or disable the account, right? So let's do it, right? Let me share my screen first. Yeah, so what you must do, you must start your command prompt, you type CMD, you must run your command prompt as an admin, run as an administrator, right? So as I said, when you are running your command prompts as an administrator, your computer will listen to you, right? So most of the tasks will be executed easily because your computer will know that you are the owner. You are the owner of the computer, right? Okay, let's first try to understand what are the user accounts that are already there by typing the comment net the user. So you want to find out what are the user accounts that are already there, right? Like on your computer or on your server, you only type the comment net user. All right, next user. Okay, you can see the administrator, guest, test tree, band 23. Those are the user account that are already there. Let's try to check those groups that are already there. All right, you can only type net local group. Okay, those are the groups that are already there, right? Okay, let's try now to create a new user. All right, net user Tando. All right, let's just to make it a bit. Net user Tando star add. They're gonna ask you for the password. You type. You have to confirm again the password. Okay, this account it already exists. Let's create another one. So this one is already there. All right. Which name we can choose? Let's choose Mbali. I don't know if Mbali also is already there. Okay. The password. Okay. We created a new user account, Mbali, right? So Mbali can log in using my computer, right? But whatever that Mbali can do, I'm the responsible. I know what I can do. I can manage Mbali. I can give him or give to her some access to specific folders or device components or whatever, right? Okay, let's verify if Mbali is created. Next user. You can see here Mbali is there, right? So you can try to delete Mbali, this account, right? Maybe Mbali resigned, right? What you can do, you repeat the same command, next user, okay? Next user, you precise the name, Mbali, and now we're gonna say what? Delete. Mbali will be deleted. Let's check if Mbali account is not there anymore. You can see there is no Mbali anymore, right? So the command for deleting is on the next user space Mbali space / end, right? Okay. Now, what to do, right? Let's create another account. Let's say next user, which name? Nelly. Wait, Nelly. Confirm the password. Okay. Let's verify Nelly. She's there. Okay, can you see Nelly here? All right. Now, if you want to learn something about this account, so if you want to understand what Nelly did, or maybe what time Nelly logged in or logged out, right? Or if maybe Nelly's account is activated or not, what you must do, you can only type next user, right? You type next user, following by the name Tando, following by what? Star, right? And you press enter. No, this one is for changing like the password. Let's see if you wanna change. Okay, so if you wanna change the password, you only type next user Atando space star for changing, right? Now, suppose like you wanna learn something about Tando, there is no star, you only type next user Tando. You press enter. So you can see like the accounts here. This is Mbali's account, right? You can see last login, right? So those are some details about Tando's account. You can see that it's active, it's yes. You can disable it. Let's try to disable this account. You can say active, you say no, and you press enter, right? And when you're going to try to check, let's use Tando, and you are going to see that the account will be deactivated, right? So sometimes if the person also resign, or maybe the person cannot access the system, maybe the account is off, right? So how to enable? You only type, there you're gonna say yes. And how to disable? So you're gonna say no, right? And when you check again, next user, Tando, yeah, accounts are active? Yes, right? Okay, so this is how you can learn something about user accounts. So it's the same even for local group, right? You can net local group, you can check the groups that are already there. You can try to create new groups. You can call it sales one, add, right? When you're gonna check for the new group, you can see sales one is there, all right? So if you wanna learn something about sales one, you can only type next local group, sales one, and you can see some information related to sales one, right? So you only type next local group sales one, right? So you can also delete it, right? Delete, also it's basically the same. So it means you delete it at the group. You can verify it. So if it's gone, yeah, so it's gone. So guys, this is how you can create groups, user account, you can delete them, you can change, and you can verify some details related to user account and groups. Thank you very much. Just subscribe and wait for network practicals number 4 that we are going maybe to release soon. All right. Thank you very much. For any question or comments, don't hesitate to send it to me. Bye.